Huawei has officially introduced the Pura 90 Pro, and this phone looks like one of the most complete flagship devices of the year. It brings a premium camera system, a powerful chipset, a large battery, fresh new colors, and smart software features designed for daily life. This is not just another spec upgrade. Huawei is clearly trying to create a true all-round flagship experience. Let's start with the design. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro comes in bold new colors instead of copying the top model. Users can choose from pink guava, orange soda, coconut white, and mulberry black. These names sound playful, but they also show Huawei wants the phone to feel stylish and different. The phone measures 157.8 by 74.5 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 213.5 grams. That means it feels premium in the hand without becoming too bulky. Now the display. Huawei gives the Pura 90 Pro a 6.6-inch OLED screen with a flat design and a single punch-hole camera. Many users prefer flat displays because they are easier to use and reduce accidental touches. The screen supports a 1 Hz to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. That means it can save battery during simple tasks and become ultra-smooth when scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. You also get a 300 Hz touch sampling rate for faster response, plus FHD plus resolution at 2760 by 1256 pixels. The display supports 1.07 billion colors and a wide P3 color gamut, so content should look rich and vibrant. Now performance. Inside the phone is Huawei's Kirin 9030S processor, paired with HarmonyOS 6.1. This combination is built for speed, efficiency, and deep software integration. The phone comes with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking, gaming, editing, and future AI features. Options include 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB. So whether you save photos, videos, apps, or large files, there is plenty of room. The real star here is the camera system. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro uses a quad camera setup. The main camera is a 50-MP super focusing sensor with variable aperture from f1.4 to f4.0 and optical image stabilization. That means better low-light photos, sharper detail, and more control depending on the scene. There is also a 12.5mm ultra-wide camera for landscapes and group shots, plus a 50mm macro telephoto camera with OS. This camera supports close-up detail and long-range photography. Huawei also adds a second-generation multispectral camera to improve color accuracy and scene recognition. For zoom, the phone supports 4x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. On the front, you get a 13MP selfie camera for photos and video calls. Now let's talk about the smart camera tools, because this is where Huawei is trying to stand out. Axmage Smart Shooting helps with everything from pose to image composition. AI pose suggestions recommend the best pose depending on your environment. Whether you are at the beach, in a street, or inside a cafe, AI-assisted composition gives prompts and guides so you can frame shots better. Huawei also includes an Xmage color chart that adds atmosphere and emotional depth to photos. There is even a 3D animated photo feature that can turn simple GIF-style motion shots into 3D pictures. Portrait retouching tools help improve lighting, shadows, and skin tone for cleaner portraits. Now software. HarmonyOS 6.1 adds fun and practical features. You can place virtual pets on your home screen, turning the phone into an interactive space. One feature even lets you check heart rate by placing your finger on the camera bump. The software also includes real-time environment themes that match your surroundings, transparent glass-style UI effects, and moving 3D wallpapers. Huawei's voice assistant Celia is now smarter and can hear commands even in noisy places like shopping malls. There is also a time machine feature for family memories, plus Celia Edit, which can improve photos with one command. For privacy, Huawei includes Star Shield anti-fraud protection and encrypted sharing. Other features include hyperspace memory, two-way Baidu satellite messaging, outdoor mode, and faster system performance tools. Battery life also looks strong. The Pura 90 Pro packs a 6 mAh battery with 60W fast charging. It also supports 50V wireless charging, wireless reverse charging, and wired reverse charging. That means long battery life and multiple ways to power your accessories. Now the price. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro starts at 5,499 yuan for 12GB storage. Higher models go up to 7,499 yuan for 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. Pre-orders are already live and official sales begin on April 29. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro looks like a serious flagship. It combines style, battery life, powerful cameras, smart AI tools, and premium hardware in one package. If Huawei delivers strong real-world performance, this could become one of the most exciting phones of the year.